Hello, and thank you very much for being part of the Tomato Traders website. So you need a little bit of help, some one-on-one support. We have a few different packages, but we want to make sure that you understand what happens during the process so that you're cool with it. So what's going to happen when you click the Get Support now on any one of these programs is you're going to be taken to PayPal. And you're going to notice here that it's a subscription. Don't let that freak you out. It really is a one-time purchase. However, it allows us to be able to accept credit cards or debit cards if you don't have a PayPal account. And the subscription renews in 1 year for $1. So there's plenty of time for you to go in and cancel the subscription part of it so that you're not rebilled for $1. And if you forget and it's a year later and you're billed $1, it's no problem to refund that. But the main purpose for this is right now so that you're able to use a debit or credit card instead of a PayPal account. So we wanted to make sure that you didn't freak out when you saw that and you understood why. Another point that we'd like to make clear to you, and it's to be fair-handed, if you don't cancel an appointment or a session 24 hours in advance, then you lose the session. However, if we cancel or have to move a session or don't show up for the session that you've scheduled, we give you a free session. That's fair-handed, right? Try and get that from a doctor's office. Have you ever gone to a doctor's office and you showed up, but they weren't there? They're like, can we reschedule you? Do they give you a free appointment? Absolutely not. But you have to cancel 24 hours in advance. Yeah, we don't believe in that ideology. So if you need some help, pick the package and then follow the instructions that are sent to you after that to schedule your appointment. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video.